Hello, welcome to the course Big Data Analytics. In this video, we will see glimpse of Apache Hive technology. What is Apache Hive? In the context of Apache Hadoop, Hive is a data warehouse software which provides a SQL-like interface to query and manage large data sets stored in Hadoop. Hive was developed by Facebook and later contributed to the Apache Software Foundation, where it became a top level Apache project. Hive provides a high level language called HiveQL, means Hive Query Language, which is based on SQL and allows users to write queries that are translated into MapReduce jobs that can be executed on Hadoop cluster. Hive supports various data formats like structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data, and also performs complex analysis tasks such as joins, aggregation, and filtering. Hive tables are created on top of Hadoop distributed file system, that is HDFS, which enables users to store and query large data sets using standard SQL-like commands. Hive also supports the creation of partitioned and bucketed tables, which can be used to improve query performance and reduce data skew. Hive integrates with other Hadoop ecosystem components such as HBase, Spark, and Tedge, which enables users to perform advanced analytic tasks using these tools. Hive also provides support for custom user-defined functions and the ability to create custom MapReduce jobs. Finally, Hive is a powerful tool that provides a SQL-like interface to query and manage large data sets stored in Hadoop. HiveQL provides a familiar interface for data analysts and SQL developers, while the underlying MapReduce framework provides the scalability and processing power required for big data analysis. Hope this video is useful for you. Stay tuned for upcoming latest videos.